Singing Tips by D, Singing Technique.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. Today, I'm going to talk about why changing your posture makes you more successful. A lot of my reference points that I use in this video are related to a TED Talk that I'm going to link below. Amazing information about the body language by Cuddy. Dry lips. Cuddy, I hope I'm saying it right, Cuddy. And a couple of other sources. I'm obviously going to link everything below. So first of all, for all of the singers that are watching this video, obviously posture is very important for the whole vocal apparatus in itself. It's kind of self-explanatory, which is why I'm not going to get into that specifically in this video. But there is actually a totally other magical thing that's happening that is related to your posture, which is why I actually opened all of my classes with a little posture exercise and breathing exercise, which is a little bit more advanced altogether. But for today, I'm going to give you the main information about the posture and why it's so important to have your posture straight up for everybody, not only singers. Because it indeed does change your life if you do it right. Wow, we have all of a sudden this Bus Nation going on. It's like, ooh. Anyway, let's get into the juicy stuff. So, the interesting thing about posture is, even if you don't know any other exercises, if you stand up straight, okay, meaning having your spine as erect as possible, what actually happens in your body is that your testosterone level goes up 60% and your cortisol level, which is responsible for the stress, goes 60% down. And this whole shift of hormones happens exactly after 69 seconds. I always say 2 minutes to be safe. So I'm just gonna leave this information in the room standing for a second. Just like that, okay? Think about it. So, but that's not all that's to it. What does that mean? If you know that the cortisol level is the stress hormone, and you know that it goes down 60%, you obviously know what the effect of that is, right? Less stress in your body. You will feel more calm and just more relaxed. But what does it mean when the testosterone level goes up 60%? Now, this is where the magic happens. So there has been tons of studies done on this specific topic. Again, I really encourage you to watch the video linked below. But as you know, hormones have a very magical effect on the people around us, right? You know that a lot of law of attraction, sexual attraction between people has to do with hormones, right? Now, the thing is that testosterone specifically, they actually call it the success hormone. Testosterone specifically, and it doesn't matter if you're a woman or a man, has a very impressive effect on people around you. For some weird reason, it captures their attention. It's totally easy to convince people if your testosterone levels are high. People with high testosterone levels are extremely successful. People tend to trust you more. You feel like the safety guard in the room. But also the hormones in composition with your posture emits emotional stability to people. So people feel extremely drawn to you. You're the leader, you're the woman, you're the man, you're the boss, you're the superstar, you're just it, you know what I'm saying? When your testosterone levels are high. Now, again, even if you don't know any specific exercises, the main important thing is that your spine is straight. If you want to get even more into it, and you want to boost the testosterone even more, you can apply something that they call power posing. Because the interesting thing is that the mind follows the body and the body follows the mind. Meaning, obviously, when you think scary thoughts, if you're scared, if you're worried, your body clenches, right, and become like this. Or if you think majestic thoughts, your body feels like this, right? But the amazing thing is that your mind also follows your body. If you're afraid and you all of a sudden stand up like this and you change your posture, guess what happens? The testosterone levels rise, the cortisol levels drop, your stress vanishes, and you feel like you're the king of the world. Power posing is what I'm doing right now. Power posing can also be like this. Power posing can be like this, and so on and so forth. I think you can feel it by instinct what power posing really means. The cool thing is that in the studies where they arranged an extremely important job interview, something like being the security guard of the president or something like that, really important, in which none of the participants knew that it was an experiment. All of the people that were applying the power posing before they went to the job interview actually got the jobs, succeeded, even though they didn't even have the right education levels for the job. Which, on the other hand, all the people that were doing the opposite, sitting down like this, which obviously has the opposite effect on your body, I don't have to get into this right now, were rejected even though they had the best qualifications for the job. It's just incredible. So just doing these type of things have an extremely amazing effect on the body. Now, but all of this information would just be blah 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 if I wouldn't encourage you to test this, like I always do with my students too. And the way to test it out is the following. The next time you're in a social environment, at the job, at the bar, grocery shopping, but not with your family because they're way too close to you, the effects might not be so obvious as it is with strangers or people that you don't really know as much as your family. So what you want to do, you are going to stretch your spine as much as you can, okay? Just concentrate on your spine being stretched straight and just wait 2 minutes. Just so you pass the 69 seconds to be safe. And watch what happens. First of all, you obviously want to pay attention to yourself and how you feel and how it changes your feelings and just your whole perception of your surroundings. But secondly, just wait and watch what happens to the people around you. You will be amazed. All of a sudden people are like, hey, hi. Hey, hi. Can I talk to you real quick? Hi, hey, hi. You're not gonna believe how this testosterone level and the emotional stability that you emit to the people is like getting everybody around you into some type of weird, needy, fan type of behavior. Meaning people are just magically drawn to you. And I warn you right now, they will probably tell you all about their problems. So be prepared, okay? Be prepared. But anyhow, that's already it, everyone. Again, I really encourage you to test it out for yourself. Watch all of the studies about that. Links are below. Use it to your advantage and share the information with people. If you want to know specific exercises or specific stretches, specific things that you can do to be exact with your spine to have the best effects, let me know in the comments below. Let me know so I can make a video about it or contact me for a class if you know how to do it. And don't forget to check the links, there's awesome stuff to discover. And as the usually always, Yeezys, much love to everyone, stay focused and have a blessed now.